People try to put off what they could enjoy, but they don't realize they can enjoy it until it's too late.
Yeah, right.
And they need to make the step before they need to go to the nursing home.
Absolutely.
Because it gave him what? He kept telling us, well, if it wasn't for you, I would have not been here a long time before.
Right.
But it wasn't us, it was your facility.
Well,
He had good care, he had people to monitor his medicine, he had good meals,
yeah,
and he had a lot of help.
right.
And somebody was always around to hear him if he fell.
Exactly.
And he did have a balance problem.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and he cut corners.
Yep.
So we felt much better when he got here because it was big enough that it was like a whole world in here. And we would still take him out, and he would go to lunch, and we would take him home and things like that. But he could still get up and walk the halls every day and actually get some really good exercise.
Exactly.
When I approached him about assisted living, it seemed like he wanted to bypass that and just go to the rest home.
Yeah.
But then when he got to the rest home, it wasn't so fun. It was like, please let me come back to the
I think
bridge.
that if people somehow, this would depend, I think, a lot on the person, people involved. If they would go to assisted living first, then they could enjoy assisted living.
The people are actually really caring. The people really enjoy the older people, and I think they connect with them.
Yes.
And there's humor.
Yep.
There's caring. There's humor. It's just, you know, a really good place. And the socialization on Friday nights, it got Dad out of his room.
Yeah.
He enjoyed seeing other people, and he does know a lot of other people that are in here now, and I do too.